What's going on, guys? So for today, I am going to show you what you can do if your replies to specific messages on Teams are not showing. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's go to settings. Let's type here in the search box, settings. Let's click on open. And here, let's click on apps. Go to installed apps. And here, we can search for Teams. We can scroll down and find Teams, or we can also type it in here, Teams. So here it is. So what you can do is click on the three dots on the side and click on advanced options. Now, once you're here, you can scroll down and go to reset and click on repair. So let's just wait for a few seconds, and after that we can click on reset and confirm with clicking on reset. Now let's wait for a few seconds again, and your Teams should reboot and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.